Hi, I'm Brittany Riley and you're in the kitchen with Britt. We're here at Home Appliance in Avon, Ohio, and we're gonna make some zucchini muffins. So I have most of my liquid ingredients in here. We have 3 mashed bananas, half a cup of applesauce, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, and a cup of sugar. I'm just gonna kind of mix that together. I had gotten some sugar that was kind of like rock solid, so there's a bunch of chunks I need to kind of work out here. And then we're gonna add in 2 eggs. I have my zucchini over here shredded. I'm using just kind of like my favorite standard banana bread recipe and adding zucchini to it. My mom will a lot of the time add zucchini that's shredded, sometimes carrots that's shredded, and some blueberries. That's really good. So you can add whatever you want, really. Get these eggs whisked in, and then basically all we have to do is kind of incorporate our dry ingredients, just 2 cups of flour and then a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we'll add in some shredded zucchini. So this is nice. Obviously it's a, you know, kind of a sideways way to get some veggies into a treat, and it just takes a couple minutes to bring together. I love quick breads for that reason. You're not using up a mixing bowl or anything like that, you know, like the whole mixer. You're just whisking it all together and throwing it in. So you can do this as muffins or as, you know, loaves of bread, or like the mini loaves, whichever you prefer. You just have to adjust your timing in the oven, obviously, for that. So we'll get, you can put your dry ingredients into another bowl and whisk them together to make sure that they're incorporated. But I really don't want to dirty another dish when there's only 2 different dry ingredients. So I kind of just pile it on top and I sprinkle my baking soda, and just before I mix that into the rest, kind of stir it into the flour. And I shredded 1 whole zucchini, but that'll probably be a little bit more than what I want in there. I want to incorporate it and be able to enjoy it, but not bite in and just have like zucchini shreds hanging out of my mouth. So you want to have a good balance. So I'm probably going to add right about like a cup of shredded zucchini to this. And I usually add it right about at this point. If I wait until it's all completely incorporated, it's a little bit harder to bring in the zucchini, and I don't want to overmix my quick bread. So measure out about a cup, toss that in, and then we'll be filling our muffin tins about 2/3 of the way up. We're gonna bake this at 350, and I usually, with muffins, I'll set the timer for about 20 minutes and start checking it at that point. To me, it usually takes like around 23 minutes, I feel like. All right. Beautiful. And if you would prefer, instead of the applesauce, you could add softened butter for, you know, some good flavor, or you could also do a vegetable oil instead, but I kind of like just keeping that out of it and using some applesauce. We always have it on hand, so it's no big deal, but not everybody does. So 2/3 of the way up, start at 20 minutes, and then we'll check on them. All right, so here are our muffins. I did convection, and they were actually ready right at about 18 or 19 minutes, so I'm glad I set it for less. So they're nice and golden brown on the top. It's super soft and chewy. Give it a taste. Really good. I like the ratio of the zucchini to the rest of it. Have fun, add some blueberries, add some carrots, get crazy, enjoy.